System. A set of connected things or parts forming a complex whole. The school has a new grading system. The human body is a complex system. The computer system crashed suddenly. They installed a security system in their home. The solar system includes 8 planets.